This antenna delivers impressively consistent reception at long distances, making it a strong option for suburban and many rural homes that want local channels without a subscription. Its four-loop design and dedicated elements for both ultra-high frequency and very high frequency signals help it pull in a wide mix of major networks and secondary stations with solid clarity. The antenna is built with sturdy materials that hold up well, whether you mount it outdoors, in an attic, or inside near a window, so you can choose the placement that works best for your space. Assembly and installation are straightforward thanks to the included mast with an adjustable base, which makes it easier to aim the antenna toward multiple tower locations without special tools. Support for modern broadcast standards such as ultra-high definition and NEXTGEN television means it is ready for current high-resolution channels and future upgrades from local stations. Once it is dialed in for your location, the antenna provides a dependable, subscription-free way to watch news, sports, and primetime programming in high-definition quality.